To MooMooMath and Science and Math Made Easier. In this video, I'd like to talk about how to multiply numbers by 9. And there's two ways you can do this, and it works out really pretty easy. Whenever you have a single digit, you're going to think subtract. When you have two or more digits, it's add, then subtract. So let's go through and let me give you an example. Okay, 7 times 9. You subtract 1 from 7, which is 6, and I'm going to write 6 here, and then you subtract 9 minus 6 is 3. So you have 63. Okay? Up next, 6 times 9. So what you do is you go 6 minus 1 is 5, and 9 minus 5 is 4, so you have 54. Okay, so with one digits, you subtract 1, and that is your first digit, and then you take this digit and subtract from 9, and that gives you the second digit. Now, whenever you have two digits, you add, then subtract. So let me tell you what I mean. You first add 1 to the first digit, plus 1, and that equals to 4. Okay, you then take 36 minus 4, and that gives you the first two digits. Okay, then you look at the second digit and you subtract like we did up here. So what we do is you subtract 1, and that becomes 5, and then 9 minus 5 is 4, so it is 324. Let me work another simple example. Remember, you add then subtract. So I'm going to add 1 to the 2, so that becomes 3. 21 minus 3 is 18. And then I look at the second digit. 1 minus 1 is 0. 9 minus 0 is 9. 189. I'll work one more. 43. You add. So that becomes 5. 43 minus 5 is equal to 38. And then 3. Remember, add, then subtract. 3 minus 1 is 2. 7 minus 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Okay? So now what do you do if you have a 3-digit number? And it's the same thing. You add, then subtract. But you add the first two digits in this one. So I'm going to add 1 to 13, so that becomes 14. 136 minus 14 is 122. And then for the other digit, I subtract 6 minus 1 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4, so there it is. So anyway, that's a pretty good trick for learning how to multiply by 9. I hope that helps and makes math a little bit easier. Thanks for watching, and MooMooMath uploads a new math and science video every day. Please subscribe and share.